Hey, Sophie. So you joined the Ocean Nomads trip. Can you tell us a bit why you joined this?
I love sailing so much, and I've been following Suzanne already for a couple of years, and we're in contact online. And this was the moment to go for it.
Nice. Wow. Hey, and what have been one of your most special moments on this trip?
Ooh, so it's hard to choose. I think the way of moving through life by sailboat is just one of the most amazing things because you really get to connect with yourself to nature because timetables they fade away. You cannot plan with okay, we're gonna leave at 2 o'clock. No, we're gonna leave when the tide is good. We're gonna leave when the current is good. We're gonna leave when when the wind direction is good. So it's all about nature, and that's what I love a lot. And of course, sharing this with all these amazing humans. They are also so passionate about life, and everybody has their own goals and mission, and in the same time, so many similarities. And yeah, that's very inspiring.
Nice, nice. Hey, and if you can pin one or two things that you learned this trip, could you share something about that?
Um, well, I like to say I remembered my passion for sailing. I was lucky enough to grow up sailing, and I always thought like, yeah, one moment I will live on a sailing boat and go for it, and I just put this dream a little bit far away for someday. And now I think like, no, 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 I'm gonna do it now. So yeah, I'm really gonna put my attention and my effort again to sailing and to start sailing again.
Nice. Wow. Because my next question is like, what's your next Ocean Nomad move?
My next Ocean Nomads move, yeah. I don't know. We're just gonna go with the flow and see where the wind brings us, and then I just hop on any moment there is.
Wow. Thank you.
And what I really love about Ocean Nomads is that we're all coming from different directions, different lives, different past. But we just became family, bam, straight away. And it's all about equality, empowering each other, inspiring each other, and really like cheering each other up to make that dream come true. And it doesn't matter if you don't know how to sail or if you're like the best sailor in the world. It's about sharing and empowering.